With everyone at home more, we all want to know how to get more organization into our small kitchens and how to make them more cute. Lucky for you guys, I already have some videos on how to do this. On my channel, we've already gone over a few small kitchen organization ideas with recycling and trash and with your pantry. These don't address the thing that stares you in the face every day, your kitchen backsplash. What we're going over today is a renter-friendly kitchen makeover, turning your entire backsplash into a DIY spice rack organizer. We have an Ikea Bekvam spice rack hack, and we're making it all an amazing, light, organized herbalist's backsplash in just 10 steps. Who here has an ugly rental kitchen? Me. And I know I'm not the only one. Mine has an especially tragic backsplash, so that's where we're starting today. Here you see it in all of its ineffectively camouflaged glory. Ta-da! And here we are with an empty backsplash. Notice, if you will, the bold design choice of not one but two different back painted glass panels. The one over the stovetop being in a brick pattern, not real brick, but a brick photograph, I guess, painted on the back of a glass panel. And this is a photograph of herbs, because you wouldn't want real herbs in your kitchen. You want fake photograph of herbs. We have hooks that as of yet have not been able to be taken down, but they're coming down. And we have in between and around everything, tile in a beigey color with white seams showing because the color's only on the top, not all the way through. Here you can get a better idea of the top edge of the glass versus the bottom edge of the fan. It's like 2 inches and 3 inches here and 1 inch here. Nothing consistent. And the glass panel is not centered over the stovetop. And if we were to try to paint that, you'd see the edge. And if we were to try to tile it, you would have 2 different levels, the wall level and like that far out. It's all held together with this crazy angled silver molding. It's a 45-degree angle, so putting anything flat against the wall is impossible. This is what we're starting with. Something's happening. Yay! Oh, 10-year-old. And here's where we are now, finally. The color we chose was the same white as the walls for visual simplicity. And we used the white and glass and wooden cork just to keep everything simple visually. It all has to complement and work with the existing kitchen elements until we can change them. The Ikea Bekvam spice rack that we hacked in the middle here allows you to hang herbs to dry or to hang whatever you'd like here. It's really an organizational starter point. So happy that we're finished. Well, that's all for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next week.